If you are looking for an easy, budget-friendly way to turn kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost, building your own home composter is a great place to start. In this guide, I will show you how to create a simple yet highly effective composting system using a standard 32-gallon plastic trash can, perfect for beginners and homeowners who want a low-maintenance setup. This compact design is ideal for small yard or even patios, and with just few modifications like proper ventilation holes, drainage and layering techniques can create an environment where organic waste breaks down efficiently into black gold for your garden. We will go into the fine details including what material to use, how to balance greens and browns, moisture control and how to speed up the decomposition. Before we dive into building, it's important to understand the main two composting approaches, hot composting and cold composting, because how you manage your bin will determine how fast and efficiently your compost is ready. Hot composting is all about speed and efficiency. It relies on creating the right conditions for microorganisms to rapidly break down organic material. Cold composting is more hands-off approach. You simply add material over time and let nature do the work. Now you will need a 32-gallon plastic trash can, a drill bit recommended is like half inches, dry leaves or cardboard, and kitchen scraps. Drill holes on the sides. Drill holes at bottom for the drainage. This is completely optional if you want to drill holes on the lid. Space holes every 2 to 3 inches apart.
You're too fat.
So I have my little helper. He will be helping me to make holes. Press it, okay? Press it hard. So now we will put it here, okay? So that you will have proper sun throughout the day, in the morning also till the evening, right? Now before we do that, we will have to wet the surface here. Now what we will do is, we will put some grass clippings. I think here I have some grass clippings here. Which I will put inside. And then I will put some leaf, the brown thing. So I have leaf from last fall. Okay, and now having some coffee here as well. These are like from the juicer. These are like apple peel, some celery, kale, and then these are some fresh greens and some of the eggshells. So let's put them inside our composter. Now we will just mix everything here once, and it should not be, has to be like very wet, but wet enough so that it starts decomposing. So
There's even mint leaf in there.
now we will just put some water inside just to keep it wet and moist. And close the lid, and it will sit here, and every single day we will keep on adding more organic waste. Avoid meat and dairy. Chop scraps smaller for faster breakdown, and keep lid closed to prevent pests. Keep on adding, and probably I will make another one here next to it, so that one will start working, decomposing, and then I will start filling up the other one. So I will always have compost handy. So that's the wrap for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching the MG Factor.